zo on my jokes no risi school dan ema zo or chenya me so many risi prisoner no a patch da nkofu wonze bonamo won fon woni ngufiaze mo ana de baze eyi na me understanding on get today. Yes, I must show you from a parkour to the rich. A person for DJ no fakam. Bebo major wodo. Ahum kamole. Mamo akwa baba wa channel do wafraha fancy YouTuber. And a chere han. Inye de zeyere yen yere among fancy from kwatin. But kasa yedi di juma wahan. Majority in fancy language. And what you said, fantasies on your brother on your one nam. Nah, today, my brother discuss a topic bia, and I'm you bezon komo bia. Ye dream wa on fa on sedo. That's the whole vibe. The whole thing in there. I adore man Ghana you woman. Well, will be our friend priorities. So say priorities. Priorities. You misplacing. Zo said a yen, ye Nemumza no win na ye be. Baby, some there. Why? Paco adds into the record of Mason. There is a comedian called Micheal Blankson. Oya Ghana yimapa, real Ghanaian, but once na ikroimu. Americano bonabra wajinism. I mean, when you are talking about comedians, akesa we are sa, where you cinema, where your movies are, into man counting out. He's part of it. Once na Ghana mpo wan bobren, de biara brentie nenyo wenichi. This man always think about Ghana. He thinks about what is happening here. Odren moro kodo ha. And then I say me kata abrentie ya ba we base school dan. We boy anon. That the most interesting thing about Micheal Blankson in school in day. Ose students shouldn't pay fees. He only needs them to pay attention to what Wabetcha won. On any goal, on any priorities, so say priorities. Na yi na modwen wa mantase fide ya wa chapel wo kroma ha. And one is there. But today, why nyama? I mean, why nyama school you si be na the bet. In recent times, and the what they see when you da why yenin was prison. School then you see in here the Ghana we don't need more. We need extra facilities. Our school for botum we sunyaze. Na say church and sacrifice in the time. No what this prisoner. Ebe message na wo put in across. Then kofunzi banamo na one for one ko prisoner na de base. If zo ye comedian and zo on my jokes no risi school dan. Ema zo or chenya me so many risi prisoner. No a patch da nkofu wonze banamo one for one ngufiaze mo na de base. Eyi na me understanding on get today. Na omanala mponpo wo ye den say you comedian lisi school ankoye da sorry no mum no odi sinenwo do si school dem mum asori no so lisi prison and oman no so lisi asori dan confused oman today GH eyi what's a bobra. It's in the baby no be kede you're a fucking sensasi. But mama can in there a Branson Zawayan or Sede Bonabaudo. We need to applaud him for what he has done. I mean, there are people what to kwana wafo wenyu anhwe wonichi. They refuse coming home to help. Wamba boa. But Micheal Blankson wa befie or boa or manyama rokodo osisi school done on G school fees then we need to applaud this gentleman. Nemo miyama sorry for no one today. When jay prisoner worrisin. When jay fearsna was I wage day. Worrisin prison is supposed to be on man government no do prison papa normal prison and ye me to me there obi ye innocent so but me asam was an to prison or ye innocent into or ye de what that bill no ye baby papa na so one hour ko ne kase ni na ye emboazen and kwasiazo no the one ke free ho nta will siesie wa ma hona no no we be me won ho aye bone because me nyeme obi a we dwe bro wo prisoner we yini befia osane di bone mo wasan waze na ko asamo wanyi no. So ladies and gentlemen, we would like to applaud Micheal Blankson. Son of the Nidin Ponichado or your fancy brand Central Boy. I go now outside no kissy schooling. Pictures in EB. We see school come. And I saw no so was prison come. No man de I saw no foundation a wa to numpo. Want to me wie in kana wo opinion be your friend kodwe kwansa no nyi wuzin komwa no benewie yo se fafa adwen na nkomo. Mpacho first time I share you now subscribe to them channel I to fum ya kana boko meta see fancy YouTuber Onyumala Parkour to the rich. It could be via energy ni different but han is it to fum boko and subscribe here. Pacho subscribe na yen information asembisia yen fama adwen yen bobo hu yen zun komo na won hu de ya so ye wo ma na ho do zina yen Parkour to the rich mezo besi ha. Let me know your thoughts about this issue and your comments. Macra one isn't a bill or ye Parkour to the rich. Mommy and uncle.